migraine siguro ito. Dami na naman pagkain. Ako, para matanggal yung sakit ng ulo ko, kailangan kumain siguro ako ng madami. Dami. Pero hindi. Minus to 40 lang yan. 40 lang yan. Konti lang.
Konti pala yan.
Konti pa. I'm here in Integrative and Alternative Medicine Philippines, and today I'm going to have my acupuncture session. Tara, sama kayo. I'm here in Integrative and Alternative Medicine or INAM, and today ako ay mag-acupuncture session kasi medyo meron akong nararamdaman ng migraine. And andito ako ngayon with Jackson Tan to tell us more about acupuncture.
Ano ba ang acupuncture? Acupuncture is a method wherein we use acupuncture needles to treat most often than not pain. Itong mga karayong tinutusok natin sa iba't ibang parte ng ating katawan na nakakapagbigay ng lunas sa mga sakit na commonly nararamdaman natin. Pwede rin itong gamitin bilang preventive method para maiwasan magkaroon ng sakit.
Pwede ba nating sabihin na pag nagpa-acupuncture ako, marerelax din ako at the same time?
Yes, that is one of the desired effect because tension causes us to be on the alert 24/7. And one of the purpose of acupuncture is to release that tension. So once that tension is released, automatically you will be relaxed. Okay, these are the needles I use for the scalp, no? Sample. Just to let you see how thin the needles are. These are disposable needles that are for one-time use only. This particular one is just 0.2 millimeter thick and around 20 millimeter long. Dagdagan natin yan kasi naramdaman ko paghiga mo right now parang nagkakaroon ka ng obstruction sa paghinga. So tingnan natin kung makatulong.
Tapos na. So, tapos na yung aking acupuncture session for today. Medyo relax time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for new video updates. Thanks for watching!